So I just got done picking some corn, went out there to feed the chickens, and I noticed a lot of the corn was ready. So I went on out there and got the wheelbarrow. That's not even half of it yet, guys. Now again, that garden, I planted it really early. So it's only up about, I don't know, about around my midsection. So I just want you guys to kind of see. Look at the size of that corn. That's like what you get at the supermarket. Now, yeah, there is a few smaller ones. I mean, even the smaller ones ain't that small. Now, there is some that's only about like this. And I'm probably just gonna leave them on a stalk and come down and feed to the goats. But guys, that's not bad for the first pick, and we still probably got another 2-3 picks yet.